It's recording.
Okay, so we're back. We're good. See, we're back on ground. We got feet on the ground. Okay, I want. Is this pointing at me?
Yeah.
So he can see me right now. So if I turn it, it's gonna point that way. Okay. All right. So I want everybody to see what just went down as we were here on land, because we backed in to the joint. Okay, we're gonna back in, got the thing unloaded. We're gonna have a good time. We go out. Way over there where you see the mouth open up. We went all the way around the corner. Came back and got stuck way on the other side of that marsh that you see right there in front of us. We got stuck out there, couldn't move. This dude just towed us in with a kite. Okay, with a kite. Okay, we're riding and I say, Davina, look at the guy in the kite. He's doing cool tricks.
So cool.
Let's turn around and check him out and get some videos of it.
We did.
So we did. And then we parked our boat in the marsh. Almost capsized, filled up with water 77 times. We cried, we prayed, we called the tow company. Everybody but your mama. We didn't call your mama, did we? Because we called everybody. Nobody would help us. Nobody would help us. And this dude came back with the kite that we have videos on to follow this video. This dude came with a kite and towed us in with a kite. Kite. He had a kite that was attached to him, and he towed us in from way over there.
Yeah.
From way over there.
Him and himself only.
With him and a kite. And we had one bottle of water, one jet ski, 2 people. That was it. That's what really just happened. But we're good now.
And then we pull in over here. We're walking it. And these people, we started seeing them walking down to their pier. And obviously they were waiting for us, right? But they told us what we needed to do, and sure enough, Steve took the.
They told us how to fix their jet ski. They said that they don't even take their jet skis out in the water this time of the year because the grass is so bad. It's not even worth it.
Right.
But sure enough, I reached under there and grabbed a whole yard full of grass, a whole yard full.
Yeah.
Okay. And we were wrapped up and everything. I had to pull the weed eater out and get me all cleaned up.
I got the lawnmower.
The blower, lawnmower, trim the fur off of it. And sure enough, we got it.
And the jet ski worked.
And the jet ski worked.
But we aren't going back out there.
Yeah, I said no. We're gonna pull right in here. See, this was the first clue. Look, let's be real here. Look how steep this is.
It was steeper earlier because it was
steeper. Like, you know, that's a steep-er. You put the dash. Like, yo, I don't know that I can make that. I know I got a big diesel four-wheel drive, but it's still too steep type shit, you know?
Yeah, and that was the first sign.
Oh yeah, that was sign number 1. But anyway, God is good. If you don't believe in God, I can't even tell you how real God is. This dude just pulled us in with a kite out in the middle of the water. You hear me? That really did just happen. Yeah. Okay. I'm out. Deuces. You gotta stay with him, man.
situation. Stuck over here. And we found a parasailer dude, or whatever you call it. The boat is leaving? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Right.
Seriously, people can't pull us up over there?
Can you remember my phone number?
No, we'll get yours.
We'll get yours.
Yep, we'll get yours.
It really did happen, buddy. What's your name? Carl. I'm
Thank
Steve
you, Carl.
Stavina. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm turning, I'm turning.
Okay. Yeah. Good boy, you okay? All right.
Yeah, I'm not. I thought it was probably that one dude, but no. Yep, almost there.
Get there, buddy. Woo! Yes! Yes, sir. Hey, you know that boat, that second asshole turned around. He saw you towing us and he turned around.
Really cool.
Go ahead and hold it in the middle there because it'll get right down out of We tow our boats, you know, we don't The jump was closed, okay? There's no jump because of COVID stuff in the man. So we decided
Let's walk our boat.
We just had to shut down in the water. Extreme everything. My God.
Because this is a workout right here. Because we're walking through like muddy waters here.
And our angel flew away with his wings.
He did. And that boat there passed right by us.
That boat right there.
No assistance.
Hey, look, and they live here too. Hey. It's okay though because we got God.
Right. Still, we got plenty of day to go.
Heck yeah. We're gonna enjoy the shit out of the rest of this.
Man, you don't know.
I got a boat too.